him get reincarnated and the first thing they do will be him. Why the rest they never just make him be one background character and done? Sometimes me kind of feel sorry for him, just a little bit. Cause you tell me say he can't tell nobody about his abilities. And if he do tell somebody, he might go dead. And when he dead and come back, he not gain no other extra abilities, like no extra fighting abilities, no extra strength, no nothing. He just weak same way. How are you, Lord? Him dead 1,000 times for one girl. You know, say a mascot. A circus you want go. I heard that he can summon a third arm. Is that true? Yeah, but I better use that extra hand there and choke in turkey. You would have served him better so. Every single day, I see him sweatsuit. Really? That's nasty. All for him cojones supposed to little bit and sour. Hey, yeah. He boy SUBARU a fool. Cause if I me have that they curse them, me not dead 1,000 times for just one little troop. Say I idiot. Me have to get 1,000 broke out of that they pum pum there.